Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to apply for e-visa in the UK. So here are a few things you will need: an email address and a phone number that you can access, a smartphone or a tablet or a PC, your passport and your BRP card if applicable, or your visa application number. The next step is to create a UK VI account. Go to the official UK government website for visas and immigration. The link to this will be in the description of this video. Now click on Start Now and follow the instructions to create a UK VI account. You'll need to provide information from your passport or BRP. You'll also receive an email with a link to sign back into your account. So make sure to keep this email safe. Next, you'll need to confirm your identity. So download the UK Immigration ID Check app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure it is the official app by the UK Visa Immigration. Go ahead and open the app and follow the instructions to link it to your UK VI account. You may be given a choice between using a QR code or a connection code. The connection code option may be more reliable. So use the app to scan your passport details page or BRP, scan the biometric chip in your document, and take a photo of your face. Then next you'll need to access your e-visa. Now return to your UK VA account on your laptop or your mobile device. Complete all the sections of the application carefully, providing all the required information accurately, and then submit your application. Then if necessary, you'll need to link your passport. If you do not use your passport to create your UK VI account, you will need to link it to your e-visa. Sign into your UK VI account and follow the prompts to add a new identity document and upload photos of your passport. After all of this is done, you'll need to check for updates. Now the UK VI will email you when your e-visa is ready. You can then access and view your e-visa through your UK VI account. So these are the steps to follow in order to apply for e-visa in the UK. We hope you find success in this, and thanks for watching.